Have you noticed that when you say words with the letter P or the letter B, that puff of air hits your microphone in a very unpleasant way? Well, my friend, that is called a plosive, and this is exactly why we use pop filters. This accessory is used for plosive rejection, and it's ultimately going to make your recording sound more professional and easier to listen to. So today, we'll be comparing a standard $10 pop filter and a professional grade $50 pop filter to help you decide if you should even consider one for your home studio. First, let's talk about some of the design differences. The $10 pop filter is a little bit longer. It also has a wider screen, and the screen itself is made out of 2 nylon layers. The $50 one is a bit shorter. The screen itself is smaller, but it's made out of a metal mesh material. So let's do some audio tests so you can hear the differences. Right now, I'm speaking into the microphone without a pop filter. Peter Parker, Spider-Man, Pokemon, Pikachu. Now I'm using the $10 pop filter. Peter Parker, Spider-Man, Pokemon, Pikachu. And now using the $50 pop filter. Peter Parker, Spider-Man, Pokemon, Pikachu. So what are my overall thoughts? Before I share them with you, let me know in the comment section which one did you think did a better job, and also if you're getting value out of today's content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So after listening back to the audio recordings, I have to say that just by having a pop filter period is already going to make your recording sound way more professional. So with that being said, I think that the $10 one did a pretty good job with plosive rejection, but I don't think it completely eliminated them. Nevertheless, I really like the hook system here in the bottom because it makes it much easier to place on any mic stand, regardless if it's set vertically or on a horizontal axis like this microphone. But when it came down to plosive rejection, the clear winner for me was definitely the Stedman Pro Screen because I could barely hear any plosives whatsoever. And I think that that has to do with the metal mesh design. In the packaging, it shows us that the mesh is angled down. So instead of the air going through, it's actually being pointed down and never even reaching the microphone in the first place. Another pro with this design is that the mesh is see-through, which is going to be very helpful if you're a voice actor trying to read a script or a singer looking at a lyric sheet. However, the one con that I have with this pop filter is the hook system, because the way that they angled it, it only works if you have the microphone on a horizontal stand, kind of like this. If you try to place it on a vertical stand, you're going to have a hard time because it's pretty short, and so that is something worth mentioning. Of course, buy what you can afford, but in my humble opinion, I do think that the $40 price difference is justifiable, especially if you're planning to do any sort of professional work as a voice actor or singer. If you want to buy one, the links are down in the description below. But if you want to make your vocal sound even more professional, then make sure to click on this video and I'll teach you how to polish any vocal using EQ.